Hey, good evening, traders. In this video, we're going to break down AUDUSD, Australian dollar, and US dollar using multi-time frame approach. We're starting with the monthly time frame, and then we will drop down to the weekly time frame. These are the higher time frames. We use this to build the directional bias, and then we will drop down to the daily time frame and intraday time frames like 4 hour and 1 hour to find where we can actually position ourselves based on the directional bias that we're going to build in monthly and weekly time frame. So let's start from the monthly time frame. In monthly time frame, this is the last impulsive move towards upside from this to this, and we are currently too much extended towards upside, but at the same time I can spot a buy side liquidity at around this level, which is very much near. We're closing this monthly candle with a strong bullish momentum. We're closing above the high of the previous month. So overall, it looks pretty bullish to me, and this HPL is looking very much promising. At the same time, I can spot that this is the last flip area that uh, where we actually reacting from last month, and it's highly possible that the next monthly candle will open, trade back a little lower, and start moving towards upside to clear this high. Or it's also possible just after opening the candle, we will start moving towards upside to clear this high. So let's see what's going on in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, the last weekly candle closure was also bullish one. Uh, we are into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive bullish weeks right now, and it's possible that the next month weekly candle will open and start moving towards upside. Based on the weekly bias, the this is our target, the previous weekly high, and we're targeting towards this high too. So overall things are perfectly lining up in all the time frames. Let's see what's going on in daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, I can beautifully spot a setup over here. This is the last flip that I can spot. At the same time, if we drop off Fibonacci on this last impulsive move, after this impulsive move we corrected back lower to 38.2, which was lining up perfectly with this flip area, and right now we are clearly moving towards upside. So I think we can start looking for longs in lower time frames and intraday time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour. uh I will start looking for longs in USD from the next London session. I'll be waiting for a corrective phase downside towards a better level and then a rejection from it. I can spot a beautiful sweep of this low, but this high failed to create a new higher high, so this is the best stop loss for it. Last week I was just looking for long in this one, but it was too much choppy and I got stopped out 2 times here. This was a break even for me, so I can this is the safest stop loss that we can place right now, but I think this is possible. Like these are the two levels where I'm gonna focus on longs, this and this. So these are the two possible long scenarios that I can spot. Okay, I'm gonna monitor AUD USD in these two areas, and let's see how they unfold. I'm gonna plan for a long, and this is the safest stop loss area. Just to get a 1:3 hour, it's also possible that we're gonna place our stop at around this level. Let's see how it unfolds. So this is definitely something I'm gonna keep in my watch list for the next London session. So that's it from my side. See you soon on the next analysis.